Now the next we have what happens when metals react with acids. As we have discussed earlier that whenever metals react with acids, they always form salt plus hydrogen. So salt is formed and the hydrogen gas is released over there. Now the next we have, take different samples of metals except sodium and potassium, because sodium and potassium are the most reactive metals. They react vigorously, violently, because they react vigorously even with cold water, as we have discussed earlier. So immerse each sample of metal in dilute HCl acid. Here we are reacting the metals with acid, so we have to react the metals with dilute HCl acid. Add thermometer in each sample. What we are doing here, we will add thermometer in each sample. Note the temperature observed, the rate of formation of bubbles. Arrange metals in decreasing order of reactivity. Firstly, we will put the samples of different metals and then add HCl, dilute HCl in all of the samples. Then we will add thermometers in the samples, and after that when the reaction takes place, we will observe that is there any change in the thermometer reading takes place, or is there any bubble formation takes place, because bubbles are formed in case of hydrogen gas. Then arrange the metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity. Okay, so see here, there is an exception. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when metal reacts with nitric acid. So one of the acid, that is nitric acid, which is the exceptional case. This is an important case. So hydrogen gas is not evolved when metals react with nitric acid. It is because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. As we have discussed earlier, what are oxidizing agents? Which oxidizes the other elements. So it oxidizes hydrogen. What it do? It oxidizes hydrogen produced into water and itself get reduced. अपने आप तो ये reduce हो जाते हैं और हाइड्रोजन को ऑक्सीडाइज करके क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? वाटर. एंड itself get reduced to form nitrogen oxides. अपने आप itself gets reduced to form nitrogen oxides. Itself reduced हो रहा है, that means हाइड्रोजन रिमूव कर रहा है, that means it forms nitrogen oxide. But magnesium and manganese react with very dilute HNO3. But the sum of the metals, that are magnesium and manganese, they react with very dilute HNO3 to evolve H2O gas. Very dilute HNO3 means we have to add more content of water here. So they react with very dilute HNO3 to evolve hydrogen gas. The reactivity decreases. Magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Now the next we have copper. In case of copper, no bubbles were seen. No bubbles were seen and the temperature also remains unchanged. This shows that copper does not react with dilute HCl. So the metal, only the one of the metal is there, copper, in which no bubbles for the hydrogen gas will form and no temperature change. That means the temperature remains unchanged. This shows that it does not react with dilute HCl, etc.